Hi, this is a video on how to remove the LCD screen from a Samsung Galaxy Y. Right, so the first thing we obviously need to do is take the battery out, make sure there's no SIM cards or memory cards in the phone. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver and just remove or loosen the screws in each corner of the phone. Don't worry if they don't come all the way out. So the next thing we need to do is get an opening tool, and we're going to have to pry this back off all the way along the sides, top and all around the edges. Don't be afraid to use a little bit of force because it will be clipped in. As you can see, it will start to come off. There we go. Right, so the next thing we need to do is remove this ribbon here, which is for the LCD. So we just unclip that, like so. Right, and now what we need to do is remove the circuit board from the phone, which will also be clipped in down one edge. So if you just get your opening tool, just lift it up. Be careful when you lift it up because there is another ribbon underneath, so just slightly lift it up. So, and there will be a ribbon at the top which we can detach from underneath. You can just see it in there. Right, so that is now the circuit board removed. Now you can see we've got to the LCD. If it's not broken and you just want to remove it, you're probably best sort of heating up the LCD a little bit just so it comes out a little bit easier. This one's already broken, so we don't need to worry about that. So if we just get a pair of tweezers, gently pry it up, just so we can get our opening tool in there, and run it along the bottom edge, down the side, and that comes out. So if we now get our new LCD screen, so you can see we have our new LCD screen, which we can just pop into the phone, like so. Then we need to get our circuit board and reattach this top ribbon. Can be a little bit tricky. There we go. Then we need to pop the circuit board back in the phone. Okay, so once you've got that top ribbon clipped back in, we can now gently clip the circuit board back down. Make sure it's all in there. Once we've done that, we can clip the LCD ribbon back in, like so. Then we get our back, and that goes back on, top first. Just clip that all in, all around the sides, like so. Make sure it's all in there. then we can screw our phone back up. Go. Battery back in, battery cover on. There we go. That is how to change or remove the LCD screen on a Samsung Galaxy Y.